A very good morning to everyone watching this video. This is the first in a series of videos where we discuss workflows, the various elements and the various scenarios in which we use those elements. So let's take a look at our workflow. In this video we're going to be talking about the Halt Resume workflow. Now what this does is, as the name suggests, it halts the process of the workflow to complete another task and then moves on to resume the previous task. Now, a practical scenario where we would be using this function is if we create a customer and it is not synced with our database. We have created a customer on an e-commerce website and it is not synced on our database. So what will happen is that when we start this workflow, it will get the order, and then it will when it detects that the customer is not synced to the database, it will halt the workflow and then it will sync the customer first and then resume the order. So let's move on with this procedure. First, let's create a new customer. Now the e-commerce website, as you can see, that I'll be using here is Magento, and I'll be syncing it with my ERP database, that is SAP B1. So let's move on to add a customer. Go to customers, all customers, and then click on add new customer. For this demo, I'm just gonna be filling in all the required fields, but in reality, in a practical situation, it is necessary to fill in all the fields including address, date of birth, etc. So that's it. Now we'll save our customer. Alright, that's about it. Now we'll save our customer. So the customer has been added. The integration platform we are using is the Appsy Connect cloud portal on which we have made our workflow. And as you can see, I have just created the customer here and not synced it to SAP. So let's move on to create an order. We'll select our customer. Now we'll select a product. For this demo, I'll be using an already created product that is called new item with an SKU of 11. So select the product and click on add selected products to order. So there you go. Now we need to fill the required fields. And we need to select a shipping method. And once you're done with the whole process of filling in the details, click on submit order to create the order. Now let's check whether our customer is synced. As you can see, I already have the SAP V1 application open. Now let's check. The customer's name was demo 9. So we do not have an entry for demo 9. Let's move on. Now we've created an order. We've created a new order with a customer which is not synced. So now I'm gonna play the workflow. As you can see, the business partner is now being added. And now it is going to resume the initial process of the workflow. There, execution has ended. Now let's check whether our customer and the order has been synced. There, the customer that was previously not synced is now synced. Now let's check for the order. The order for the customer demo 9 has been synced. And that is how we use the Halt Resume workflow. A very good morning to everyone watching this video. This is